So guys, we're gonna have a decadent snack tonight. Sea urchins and scallops. Daddy went out to the ocean and fetched sea urchins.
And guys, if you're not paying attention, look at this lovely island view here.
So guys, we're gonna clean them up and show you what they look like. Here. So Daddy is putting in ginger garlic and butter.
And what are we cooking?
Scallops.
So we salt and peppered them. And we're gonna have a decadent scallop and sea urchin with a little bit of avocado.
So babe, what are you doing now?
Plating.
Come this, you hold them, let me finish straight fair. Tell me how you want it.
I think a piece of that on top and that
Yes,
on
right,
top.
hold it.
Alright guys, we brought in the big guns because apparently I wasn't making it look good. So now the professionals here. How's it tasting?
I don't know.
Try it.
Just on base, we have too much on plates here. Hold on. I'm gonna fix this for you. I can fix this for you. This will be a flat plate. Presentation is a hell of a thing.
Mary, what do you think?
I'm good.
You good? Let me taste it.
Okay, so we have crackers, scallops, sea urchins, and avocados.
And are you excited to try it?
Uh-huh.
Are you gonna put it with pepper sauce or no pepper sauce?
I don't know.
Alright, let's try this. The decadent snack. Scallops, sea urchin, avocado, and a cracker. Actually really good. I'm gonna try it with a little bit of pepper sauce. I think it's better with the pepper sauce. Gotta leave one for Auntie. She wants to try it too.
I don't like avocado.
All right, let's call this a hit. 10 out of 10? Like you give everything else? Exactly. She gives everything a 10 out of 10. So she's easy to please. We'll see you on the next one.